guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who know and those who don't know, my name is Brittany and this is my sister right here. So I know it's been a while since you guys have, well, it has been a while since I've recorded a video, but it hasn't been a while since I've posted one because I have been trying to post those pre-recorded ones that I had. But I'm gonna take you guys with me to the dentist. So yesterday at work I broke my tooth. I'll insert a clip of how it looked, and then I saved the tooth in some milk, thank goodness, and then went to the dentist. They put it on as like a temporary, they put it back on temporarily, so I'm supposed to go back today for them to take it off and do a root canal and all that stuff because it happened in the evening, so they were basically closing anyway. So that's how it looks. This one right here, yeah, enough of in my mouth. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. This girl is gonna go pick up her wedding dress.
Wedding dress? Hello, I'm not get married.
I'm joking. We're going to a wedding, so she's gonna go get her dress, pick that up. But yeah, so I'm gonna take you guys with me throughout the day today. Just a day in my life. Well, not a day in my life because my life doesn't usually involve me going to the dentist. So, but spend the day with me basically. So I'll see you guys at our next stop. So guys, she got it. This is the dress, and she doesn't. No, you have to try it on and everything and see.
I don't even like the bottom.
You haven't even, guys, she hasn't even tried the dress on, and that's how she is, you know. She sees something online and then or wherever, and then she goes, oh, I like this. When she gets it, she doesn't like it. She didn't even try it on or anything, guys. Like,
where am I going?
Anyways, we're going to the dental office right now. You can tap it on your phone. Hey guys, we're gonna be going right now. I know. I'm a little bit scared because I've never like had to do any real procedures at a dentist before. So, and then a root canal just sounds super scary. So yeah, so guys, just pray for me basically, you know. Whatever, girl. No, like I've never done a real any procedure that to that extent. And a root canal that sounds really scary to me. And like I watched videos this morning to kind of like prep my mind to like be like, it's gonna be okay. But that doesn't help either because they look so scary, and I'm like so scared. So guys, I have arrived at the dentist. Really nervous. I'm gonna check in.
She did have some hole. Yes.
Well, and I can feel it. Live,
Okay guys, so I just got out. So my top lip doesn't move, like this side does not move much. I can't feel it either. So like so it was a successful, yeah, it was successful. I did a root canal and then some filling, and I'm supposed to come back to put a crown on, but that's gonna be a process because it's going through workers' compensation something, so they have to wait for them to give the go ahead for that one as well. So yeah, it's a bit, you know, I wouldn't say tender, but it feels like they detach into here, and then here is a sewed back on. Like it just feels hard and bloated, and it just feels like if I'm not looking at it right now, it feels so swollen, but it's not, it doesn't look as swollen as it feels. Get what I'm saying? So yeah guys, so I kind of feel weird showing you guys, but yeah, it was successful. They did a lot of drilling, not drilling, and filing and all that to kind of like get the tooth to look like the one beside it and the others, cause see, I can't even lift it. I have to use my hand, so like yeah, so it looks as natural as possible. Then they had to file these down a bit. It didn't change the shaping or anything, but they filed it down a little bit so that when because I have a little bit of an overbite, so when I do that I don't feel it at all, feel the filling, so that way I don't feel like uncomfortable and whatever. So yeah, but other than that, it was good, it was successful. I'm really happy with the work done. I'm also very, very happy with the dentist I got and the assistant. Like, let me tell you guys, this place is just top tier. They were super patient, super gentle. I didn't feel any pain whatsoever, and they're just so caring. From just walking in to the front desk, the receptionist, everyone there was just super nice, super welcoming. I liked it. I'm still there. That's the North End Dental, guys. I would definitely recommend it there. Yeah, it was a really good dental office. Inside is really nice as well. It's just super, it's a fun and it's a good, not a fun, but it's a good environment. It's calming. It's just what you want your dental office to be. I mean, I went in feeling really, really scared to do the root canal, but I was able to do it, and I throughout the process, at first I was scared, but then the dentist was calm, his assistant was calm as well, and they just made it super, like, they just made me feel calm. And then I was watching TV as well, so yeah, and then every little, he pays attention to like every time I make my face some type of way, he's like, are you comfortable, are you in pain, you know, stuff like that, just in case they need to add a little bit more. But I wasn't in pain, just that there was slight discomfort here and there. But honestly, I think it's just me, because it's discomfort, but it's not pain, if you get what I'm saying. I'm like, this just feels weird, someone's putting pressure on my teeth, like, this just feels weird, you know. In my facial expression, I don't hide anything. That's just the problem right there. But other than that, it was really good. Really, and it feels so weird to talk, because this side of the lip just feels so heavy. Like, I don't know if you guys can see how lean, slanted it looks. Like, I'm used to this part, the middle matching this, like, you know. Oh my gosh. But yeah, it's so funny. But I'm just super happy that I have my teeth back in my head. Guys, let me tell you, one thing that saved me is knowing first aid. I am super happy that when I was learning at school, because the school so for those who don't know, I'm an educational assistant, and I went to school for that. Well, it was I did a course to be an educational assistant, and with Saskatoon Public Schools. And let me tell you guys, that course was so good. I did first aid training with it, and in doing that first aid training is what helped me, guys, because let me tell you something. Had I not done that, I probably would not have known what to do when my teeth broke. So as soon as it broke, I was at work. As soon as my teeth broke, I caught it in my hand, and then I immediately ran to the manager and the assistant manager who were in the office. I showed it to them and just let them know this just happened. And then once that happened, I ran back to get some milk and a cup and put my teeth in the milk. So not even 2 minutes had not passed before I put that tooth in a milk. So that's like what I learned in first aid. You always want to put the tooth in the milk because it helps. The tooth needs calcium because you know it's calcium, whatever. Milk has calcium that helps to preserve the tooth. Yeah. So if you guys ever have a tooth problem, or you know, don't wrap it in like paper like what, or tissue like what I usually do when I was younger. It's best to put it in milk, and that saving that tooth is what kind of helped me. And my sister is here, guys. She's back. So guys, we're getting something to eat. Yeah, we're getting something to eat here at Burger King. Wonderful stuff, I tell you. So what you get? What did you get? She got chicken, right? Sorry, chicken, right?
I got wrap.
Oh, she got a wrap. I got a chicken junior. I got the strawberry mango lemonade.
Strawberry.
Yeah, strawberry mango lemonade.
A peach mango lemonade.
No, strawberry watermelon lemonade.
Something else.
Just so we work here thinking no the products more. But I got the strawberry watermelon lemonade. She's getting some mix up.
Iced coffee.
Mix up.
Iced coffee.
Mix up in our iced coffee. Cause I'm a regular that. So yeah guys, we were just at Burger King, got some food, haven't ate yet because we're going right across the parking lot to the bank. My sister needs to do something there, so we're just going to the bank and just following along. I have a very boring day, guys. Like today, well, today's Friday, so it's my day off. That's why I'm not at work. But usually, I'm at work, and that's why my days don't feel that boring because I usually just working, and I have 2 jobs as well. That's it. But today's my day off, so your girl just having a boring day. Look at this, and my mouth still numb, still can't move here, still can't feel it. Feeling a little bit of pain setting in my teeth there, but it's nothing unbearable, nothing that's that bad. So I'm just gonna show you the food because it looks nice. Well, the drink. We are at the gas station. Diamond's getting some air in her tire. So you know, if you're a female and you own a car, and if you know you pump your own gas, fill your own tire with air and something there. Okay, can't depend on money, you know them things. Like girl have to be independent and all them something there. Yeah, so anyways, as you guys can see, my nails want to be done. This finger come off already. This one as well. I'm just taking them off one by one. Slowly but surely, because I'm doing them again on Monday. So I've just been experimenting basically with my nails to see what works. So I did polygel. These are polygel nails. So I did these, I think, last. I ordered some dipping powder because I want to try the dipping method. Because for some reason, Diamond likes to do longer nails. I do short nails. So my nails last. Hers does not with the polygel. So unless you guys ever tried it before and know what to do to make it last, I don't know. So it doesn't last. Like they are 2 and somehow she gets them broken off. My nails now, I have to purposefully take them off myself with intent. They don't just break off because they're short. So I'm planning on trying the dipping powder Monday with longer nails to see how long it lasts, and then see which one I like better, polygel or dipping powder, you know. And yeah. So guys, we're at the mall right now. Can you guys see me? Yes. So we're at the mall, Midtown Mall. It's a mall here in Saskatoon. Yeah, Midtown Common. Here it's a mall, and we're just going on it to get some stuff. Well, first to look for shoes because I need our shoes to wear to this wedding. That I need some stuff. Guys, do you like my bag? It matches like outfit check. Yeah. So, this lighting is so bad. I need a better phone. In fact, I need a better camera. Not a better phone. I like my phone. But yes, we are going in. Yeah. 50% off. So Susie's share was a quick stop. Didn't find anything in there. Diamond didn't like anything. It wasn't even the correct color anyways. So didn't find anything. So we're going to Claire's. I need earrings. Huh? I don't need no sneakers. I love sneakers. So in there full.
You feel like me never drop.
So yeah, we're going to Claire's because I need earrings. Diamond need belly ring. So in the usually I've just and then I don't know. So yeah. Didn't find anything in Claire's either, guys. I'm not gonna stop my nothing for me. Didn't find anything in Claire's either. Guys, we are heading to the movies in a bit. Oh gosh, my hair look messed up, but I need to fix it. But anyways, we're just heading to Walmart first because we're going to the movies in a bit. But I'm gonna need some stuff at Walmart, so I went home and I changed, as I can see the fit. Yeah, we're gonna go watch Barbie because it came out today, so we're like, okay, I haven't been to the movies in a while, let's go watch Barbie. This time in pink. Yes sir. So I'm super excited to go do this. Super excited to see Barbie because I love Margot and I love Ryan, so I'm excited. And yeah, I'll probably get a sweet. No, I'm not gonna get a sweet. I just did my teeth and I'm supposed to be eating anything like that. This is not healthy, and I haven't been eating sweets in a while. That's kind of why I've been craving it lately, because I haven't had it for a bit. So, but I'll probably just get a drink or something, I don't know, just to take with, because me don't like buy movie snacks. I don't like to buy movie snacks because it's so expensive. I just noticed now that I can't eat popcorn either because, oh my gosh, this is not fun at all. So I can't wait for them to crown my teeth so I can just enjoy my everyday life again, my everyday eatings, because this not work for me, none at all. But here's the fit. So these shoes, it wasn't what I cut my toe, but these shoes wasn't what I initially chose to wear. I actually chose to wear heels because, you know, Barbie wear heels and them some there. So I chose heels. The heels is in the car, so I'll put that on at the theater. Just take some nice pictures for you guys and just to look cute, you know, Barbie-ish. Lipstick, Barbie-ish, yeah. And then, but for right now, we're rocking these. got something to eat again. I got this McDonald's. I just got a large fries and a strawberry banana smoothie. Whenever I was feeling hungry, you know. And because of the tooth, I'm not able to eat anything hard just yet until the crown gets on. So therefore, I'm just having a smoothie and fries because fries is not hard to chew. And guys, you have to see the moon. Like, this is just beautiful, guys.
Oh, they said we're having long summers and short winters now. Then it was on news. The sun is moving closer.
Guys, look at that moon. It's so beautiful. Let me tell you, dentists are miracle workers, okay? Because you could never tell.
You did ugly like a goblin.
You could never tell that I broke a tooth just less than 24 hours, like 24 hours ago. More than. Yesterday at 4 p.m., I broke a tooth, and it's 8 p.m. today, and it looks normal. Like, bless their soul. God bless them soul, cause you know. And I believe I was watching this movie too, and I remember, like, in some movies that I've watched too, they're like, oh, dentists aren't real doctors. They're just dentists. They're not doctors. They are, okay? Because, you know, then they remind me of like plastic surgeon. I mean, sure, it's not like plastic surgery, but you know, like how they do plastic surgery to fix people messed up nose and something there.
I feel they want to fix.
My nose is fine, girl. I'm alright with it. I can't breathe.
I can't breathe and I can.
Because I have a cold. But other than that, I can breathe through both
Every night I
nose.
can breathe.
There is none collapsed. So my nose is fine. I got this crown that I'll be wearing tonight from my mom. But I'm borrowing it. It's been a long time since she's been a Barbie, you know. She's always been a Barbie. That's why she got this crown. So yes, guys, I'm ready. I think I'm fully Barbied out. No. Yeah.
You're gonna get married, right?
I wanna think. So I'm in the car. I'm gonna let you guys know when I get to the theater. Diamond did her eyebrows, but my mom did her eyebrows for her. So now she don't know how to act.
They're ugly.
They're cute, bro. Like, stop playing.
I forgot to do my eyebrows.
So guys, finally got home. Really tired. It's like after 12 right now, because the movie was at 10. All in all, it was good. It was comedic. I found it funny. There are some parts where like, what? You know, but it was okay. Didn't wear my heels. I took some pictures, not much though. Didn't wear my heels. I'm gonna show you guys. Just put this up here. All right. Whatever. So these were the heels that I was planning on wearing. You know, pink to go with my outfits. But yeah, I did just put in some white socks on, slide my foot right back into my slippers, and just call it a night. Yeah. But Barbie, it was good. 9 out of 10 recommend. Yeah, I think it could have been a little bit, like the Real World part could have been a little bit more serious. I feel like the climax wasn't climaxing enough. I wanted to either die crying, die laughing, or something, but it was just, it went, and then, you know, it didn't go, woof. So yeah, but it was good. It was a good movie. So But I'm really tired right now, so I'm just gonna go to bed. I have work in the morning, and girl cannot call into work because of no movie. Hell to the no. I gotta go sleep, and then yeah. So love you guys so much. Tell me what other video you'd like to see me do. I'll try to be consistent. I'm trying, y'all. I'm trying to like vlog as much as I can, giving a look of something. Yes, my life kind of boring on top of it, so this is the most active day that this is so messy. This is the most active day that I've had in a while. Like usually I'm just home sleeping and then working. That's it. So this has been the most active day I've had in a while. So that's kind of one of the reasons I don't vlog much, because what am I gonna vlog to you guys? Me sitting at home just sleeping? I don't know what to do. But yeah, I'll try and be consistent and give you guys something. Yeah, but I love you guys so much. Thank you for patiently waiting for my videos, my vlogs, and whatever. If you haven't yet, go check out my previous videos where I did a prank on my mom, and you guys been wanting to see another prank on her. I also did a chocolate challenge and what's my mouth challenge with my sister, and I also did a challenge of trying new food stuff. That one's coming out after this one, even though it was pre-recorded, and it's been recorded for like 2-3 months now. I just haven't posted it because I haven't gotten to really editing it yet, because it's a long vlog, it's a long video, it's a long ass video. Probably have to split it in two for you guys, but yeah. So love you guys so much. Stay safe out there, and good night. Peace out.